job, Ivy. How about Johan? What will you say? Open? Open, please. Okay, here you go. So we have our maracas. Get 2 maracas. 1 and 2. Johan also get 2. Yeah, so 1 more. Good job. Okay, so now you're gonna play your maracas. How do you play your maracas? You shake it. How do you shake it? Like this. We're gonna shake and shake and shake and shake. We're gonna shake and shake and shake and shake. We're gonna shake and shake and shake and shake. And stop. Very good, and shake it faster. Shake it, 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 and stop. Good job, Ivy and Johan. Okay.